Hey friends, if you encounter ISDone dll error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this has become a very common error. I don't know why, but it has become. So the resolutions are simple. The first one is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. Search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Go to latest supported Visual C++ redistributable option, scroll down. Now for 32-bit computers we have the x86 version, and for 64-bit computers we have the x64 version. Most of these computers, or most of the computers these days, are x64 ones. So I'll select this one and then I'll click on open, and then I will select repair because it is already installed on my system. I just need to repair it, but if not, then you can install it as well. And the next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.